It's Saturday morning, and the reason I'm going to make this video is because if I can help somebody else do something and get something done, that's good. That's why I want to make videos. If I can help somebody get their project done, I don't want to do it for you, but I want to help you get yours done if you can, if you know what I'm saying. I don't want you to be behind or not know something. If I know something, I'll let you know, and that's what I'm making this video for, because what has happened is I'm working on the gas pump today. Here where we live, it's a good day for a duck. It's raining there. But as I'm working on this gas pump here today, I've got one of the doors done. I'll bring it over to you and show it to you. Or let Jolene stand there and I'll show it to you. What I have done is I put the glass in this door for the gas pump. I got this from the Brown family. This is a Roy Brown pump. Rest in peace, Roy Brown. So what I have done is, for someone that doesn't know, I mean, they say, hey, yeah, you put a piece of glass in, that's no problem. Yeah, which it is not really a problem, but to get the glass, we're up here on the gas pumps. Usually they say something across there. This one's going to say super, and we're going to put that on ourselves. The glass was cut over town. Thanks, Greg Benjamin, for the glass. And I'm just going to show you how we done it to get the job done. This gas pump didn't come with all its screws and nuts and bolts. It was beat and tattered and mad and disgusted, and it couldn't be trusted. It was beat down, and that's why I guess he sold it to us, and then we got it cheap, and that's why we're fixing it. It's a $200 pump. You don't run around and buy $200 pumps anymore, so I decided to buy it. But as I get going on that door, I wanted to show you how I made the glass. So if you're stuck on your pump, or if you got a pump that says something up in there, and you want to say something, or you want it to whatever. You want to say something that you can't find. Anyways, what I've done is I took a piece of glass, I cleaned it with glass cleaner, and then what I did is I took a spray balm of just white acrylic enamel, and I taped it off, and I painted it on one side. Yeah, you say, well, that's not going to stay. Well, it will stay if I'm not playing with it, if you know what I mean. I'm not scratching at it and that sort of stuff. I'm just using it as to white it out. So as I look on that side, look how nice that looks. And that's just paint on the back side. I just painted it with spray balm. And that's the side we want out. When the light shines up inside, I put that door on. When the light shines up inside, that will light underneath that and whatever. What I'm going to do now is I laid that down in here and got that in there. That's fine. Got my piece over top of it. I don't really have to put you through that, but I will for a second. As on this piece here, on this gas pump, it's got this metal piece going across here, so it must have had a chrome piece going across or something going on there that would have covered that up. So when I taped it off, I made sure that we taped it off and that it would fit that way. You know, I taped that off so you wouldn't see it. You can see it through a little bit there. But on the bottom of the paint again on the window, show you again. This is on the gas pump probably. What I have done, get my Gene Winston picture of that piece of chrome there. I use the Bad Chad flexible chrome like I always do. If I have to, if I need it, then I put that across on the bottom, on the front of the glass. That's what I've done there. You can do it 3 times. You can run, 3 across there. You can run 4 across there. You can do whatever you like. Ran 1 across. It looked nice and clean. So that's what we're going with. So this glass is, it's just a piece over town, laminated glass. I painted with a spray balm to get the section I need covered. You can do that in red, white, blue, yellow. Doesn't matter what color you want to use. Then what has happened is Jolene's went to, where'd you go, Jolene?
Staples.
Staples. And then she bought some stickers. And she's going to tape that on top of here, lay it on there. That's up to Jolene. She's going to do all that and put that on top there, and then we'll have super. We're going with Fina. So Fina's hard to find sometimes. So if you needed that piece up there, you can make your own piece just by spraying it white on the back side and get some stickers and stick it on the outside. Just as simple as that. And you don't even have to generally wait for anybody, because the stickers, you can go right in and buy them. The paint, you can go right in and buy it. The glass, you're going to have to, get a glass guy to cut you a piece. And that's just a measurement. So if you're doing your gas pump, you're stuck a little bit, and you say you got 3 pieces of chrome. There's a piece here that's missing, I noticed. Where is that piece? There's a piece here. Piece of chrome piece. There it is, right here. Get these things here all the time. I don't know, this pump didn't have them on it, but my one down in the house does. If I ever decide to paint that pump up, I'm gonna take this stuff. Where did I put that now? Put that over here. I'm gonna take this stuff and make it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna make 3 layers of that and make that piece. So if I wanted to chrome this pump down across front here, I want to chrome that, I can run the 3 strips of chrome without spending the money that is, and do that. And I can do it right at home. You know what I mean? I go Canadian Tire or Bad Chad Flexible Chrome. Bad Chad might start selling this stuff because I use it enough. I should start selling it. If I use it, I should sell it, shouldn't I? I should. We've been busy down there. I haven't done no work on the car whatsoever. Last little bit of work done on it, Chuck done. I've been down the house trying to get the floors ready in the he-she room. Mine, Jolene's room. Face it, that's who's going to be hanging out there, me and her. I'm trying to get the gas pump done. I got the floors all varathaned, and I'm trying to get them fast as I can. And I'm trying to get this stuff done so I can take it down and put it in the room and have something to look at. But that's what we're doing. Even also on this thing here, on this air station. I bought this air station. Janie Brand sold to me, cheap. Anyways, I'm getting it half together, and some of the parts are missing. I notice I need glass, so I've got the glass cut at the same time I got that glass cut. But you notice on top of these air stations, top here is painted white. Then it has the black goes across and it says air. Well, we're going to do that. I'm going to cut it off with a spray bomb. I'll spray bomb the backside. I already showed you how we've done it. Turn it around so you have a nice white face. We'll put air up in there with a sticker and put a line across it. And we have made our piece of glass for our air station. So try not to let anything hold you up if it can. You know, I mean, if you don't have to, you know, if you want something, just because you cannot buy it doesn't mean you can't make it. You know, don't let it hold you up if you're, you know, this is just a gas pump. This is nothing I'm selling for huge money or saying it's all original. This is something that we found. We are trying to repair it the best we can with the stuff that we have. We did buy a globe for it, and now that I look at it, you know, I might figure a way how to make that too. All I have to do is paint Pheno on the inside of that glass to make that. It doesn't have to be round. It can be flat if it wants to be, if you know what I'm saying, you know. If you know what I'm saying, it does not have to be any way. It can be our way, you know. It can be shaped like the sign if you want it to be, like the old ones were with the flat glass. But do not let anything slow you down if you want to get something done. There's always a will, there's always a way if you got the want.